What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a little bit different than a lot of the videos that we posted on here recently. And this is for all my homies that have been sort of half committed to starting a business or thinking about starting a business and just haven't really given it their all. I want you to do something for me right now. Go to your phone, open up your screen time, and just take a look over the last 24 hours or the last week and see how much time you spent just consuming content on your phone. I'm talking about wasting time on TikTok, doing things that are not productive or in any way moving you toward your goals. Now, it's probably pretty eye-opening, and admittedly, a lot of that is probably spent doing some sort of work on your phone, which is totally acceptable, totally get it, but I'm guessing hours and hours per day are spent doing unproductive things that are actually moving you further away from your goals. Think about all that time totaled up at the end of a 30-day period. Think about all that time totaled up over the course of a year. How much do you think that you could have gotten done with that time when it comes to your goals? How much time have you wasted total since the start of the year? You know, right now it's mid-March. It's the last month of Q1 of 2025. We're already almost 3 months into the year, fellas. I'm guessing you had some goals that you laid out for yourself at the start of the year. Maybe starting a business or improving your business or finally committing to some sort of business was on your bingo card. Maybe you've made some progress towards it. Maybe you haven't. But as you can tell from your screen time, you wasted a lot of time you could have been working on it. So if you're watching this, you found our channel, you're in the world of starting a business online. Maybe you tried starting a business, you just never really locked in. That's what this video is about. Time's slipping by, and I'm here to tell you that if you don't focus, if you keep letting yourself get distracted, if you continue letting other things be the priority, pretty soon it's going to be March of 2026, and you're going to be no closer to your goals than you are today. But what happens if you do focus? What happens if you do lock in? Anything can happen. Back in December of 2016, we had just started our agency. I remember it felt like just standing at the foot of Mount Everest. I couldn't even see the top of the mountain, and it felt like nothing that we were doing was moving us like any closer to being successful in our business. Every time I sent an email, it just felt like it was just like going out into the void. I was spending time on it that I could have been doing other things. I specifically remember taking Super Bowl Sunday in January or February of 2017, a couple weeks after we started our agency, and just literally cold calling and sending emails all day instead of going and watching the Super Bowl with my friends. There's a lot of questioning to myself of, is this even worth it? Was this worth it? Is this even gonna work? At that time, there weren't YouTube channels like this where we could see other people being success with the SMMA model. Like it was a new model at the time when it came to, being online. And there wasn't anybody who was having a ton of success with it that we could learn from. So honestly, the whole business model itself and whether we could do it was like this giant question mark for us. But we committed to it. We wanted to quit our jobs. We had to find out if this business model had legs and was something that would help us do that. We didn't do anything crazy, and I'm gonna challenge you to do the exact same thing that we did, because not only did it help us quit our jobs 6 months after starting our agency, it's also helped over 1,000 students in our courses and inside of Growth School do the exact same thing, just by keeping it super simple. The first thing you're gonna wanna do if you haven't locked in is actually set up your business. We did this in one single day. We chose our name, we created a logo in Canva, we bought a business email, we incorporated the business, we set up the website in one single Saturday afternoon because we locked in. And I'm not even joking, we literally locked ourselves in Derek's apartment. One single day, 5 focused hours of work, entire business set up. If that day didn't happen, we probably wouldn't have a 7-figure business today. After that, we committed to locking in and going all in on outreach. We didn't worry about the latest gimmick or strategy of getting clients or the latest hack because there weren't any. There wasn't a bunch of YouTubers giving us a bunch of stuff to fill our brains with a bunch of trash. What we did was we said, hey, we're gonna send 50 emails per day each. That meant that between Derek and I, we had 100 emails going out every single day, 100 lines in the water, fishing for potential clients. If you want scripts to use that have helped thousands of other people be successful, check out the description down below. We've got some free email templates for you to try. No excuses. Now, hitting 50 emails a day was really hard because we both had super demanding jobs. I was traveling like 2 or 3 weeks a month at times and wasn't even at home to be doing this type of stuff. I was literally sending these emails on flights across the country, on airplane Wi-Fi, which like 10 years ago was super shitty. But we did what we needed to do. We locked in. We watched less TV. We played less video games. We literally took our game consoles, like put them in the garage, just completely unplugged them. So it just wasn't even an option. Distraction was not even an option. There was no option other than building our business and being successful at it. That's the level you need to get to if you want to be successful as an entrepreneur. We focused. I suggest you do the same. Set up your environment so it's easy to get into the flow of outreach. So it's easy to get in the flow of working on your business. If you have nothing but distractions all around you, you're going to get distracted. Plain and simple. I heard an amazing quote once that said, doing the simple things that will make you successful in business is not hard. sitting down at the chair to do the things that will make you successful is hard. There's a lot of friction when it comes to sitting down and doing outreach, especially if it's not really leading to the results that you want immediately. See, the thing about SMMA is there's a huge residual snowball in this business. Things get easier the more you do them. The more days you sit down and send emails, 50 per day, the more days you have done that, the more potential client getting emails are out the door. Pretty soon you have this giant snowball of all the residual tasks that you've done, all the emails that you've sent, all of a sudden become this giant behemoth of emails, thousands and thousands of them. And just the simple odds mean that good things are gonna happen and somebody's gonna reply to you. So if you're feeling the friction in outreach, do this. Sit down to send one email. Instead of being like, oh, I gotta go and send 50 emails, tell yourself you just gotta send one. Sit down in the chair, send one single email. But once you've done that, all of a sudden it becomes super easy to just get in the flow and send the next 49. Now I suggest cold email because it's crazy easy to get started. It's basically free and it works like a charm. It's also like super easy. You grab those free email templates, you set up your business email, you literally are off sending emails. Everybody knows how to send emails. Now my promise to you is this: if you sit down and you send 50 to 100 emails per day, good things will happen in the next couple of weeks for you. It might be the first day, it might take a week, it might take 2 weeks, but all of a sudden, replies are just gonna start coming through. You'll enter a flow state of productivity, and this will just become a non-negotiable habit that you do every single day. If you do the math, over a 7-day period, 50 emails a day, you'll have contacted 350 business owners. If you do 100 a day, that's 700 business owners you contacted in 1 week. You're just gonna start getting replies. It's just the simple odds of the numbers game. After you start getting replies, you'll start having meetings. After you start having meetings, you'll start closing deals. It might take a couple of meetings, but good things are gonna happen. You have the meetings, money goes into your bank account eventually. It's just the way the game is played. The laws of outreach just simply say if you send enough emails and you contact enough people, somebody's gonna get back to you and give you money, and you're gonna put money in your bank account. It's just the way this business model works. For us, locking in led to results faster than you can even possibly comprehend. And what's crazy is back in 2016, when we were first starting our agency, people and business owners were still wondering if they even needed to be on social media. We closed our first client for almost $3,000 per month in like 2 weeks after that Saturday I was telling you about at the beginning of this video. In almost no time at all after that, we had crossed over $10,000 per month. Less than 6 months after, we'd quit our 6-figure jobs and replaced our income with our agency. But we locked in. You got to do the same. Over the last 8 years now, we've scaled our agency to 7 figures per year. We're doing a consistent around $100,000 per month just from our agency business. And only a couple of weeks ago, we walked across the stage in Las Vegas at Funnel Hacking Live and got recognition for it with some really awesome plaques and meeting Russell Brunson and Todd Dickerson themselves. The really cool thing about this though is we did all of this while working for ourselves, having complete freedom, complete autonomy over our time. But it only happened. We were only able to fire our bosses, quit our shitty jobs because we committed to it. My challenge to you is to commit. If you're still watching to this point, comment I commit in the comments down below to make it real. Save this video to your watch later to come back to anytime that you're feeling discouraged. Remind yourself of that commitment and that promise that you made to yourself. You owe it to yourself to do it. When you have doubts, when you're questioning because things aren't happening fast enough, which happens to every single entrepreneur in the world, come back to this video and recommit. Promise you, it will be worth it. And bro, I want to see you win. If you want a proven system to follow, consider joining Grow School. There's endless support from Derek and myself. We'd love to get to know you guys a lot better. Grow School is an amazing place that we get to do that. And you'll also get support and help from not only the other awesome members inside of Grow School, but also our growth coach Kyle and our other growth coaches that we're going to bring on in the near future. You'll also have access to a community working on the exact same thing as you. Your network is your net worth, and there's really no other place where agency owners congregate and get together like a community like Grow School. That's why we built it. So yeah, consider joining and working alongside some agency owners that are just as committed as you. But really, at the end of the day, doesn't matter if you join Grow School or not. You don't need a bunch of paid stuff. What you need to do is focus in and just do the simple work that's going to make you successful. Lock in. You'll be glad that you did. If you're looking for a video to watch after this one right here is where you want to go. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see a bunch of I commits in the comments down below and can't wait to see your success this year.